Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and the queen of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of September. It is the Mood eyeshadow palette by Ruby May. So today I am filming my 300 subscriber giveaway. That one will be up shortly, as well as the back to school skincare giveaway. Those are all upcoming. And for all my giveaways, you must be a subscriber to my channel. I will put links in the description box down below that take you to the different videos for the giveaways that are already up and let you know how to enter them. I love FabFitFun. So if you don't know, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box. It ships out every quarter for $49. And they also have some edit sales in between then. They also have some add-on sales that you can add on things to your box. And so that's what I did for this month. I did a mystery bundle, and the mystery bundle you can purchase for $29. And you never know what you're gonna get. The last one for the summer edit, I wasn't too impressed with, but all the mystery bundles before then I was. So I'm really anxious to see what is in here. So let's dive in. I do have a code for FabFitFun if you want to sign up and get $10 off your first box. I will put that code in the description box down below. It helps you out, and it kind of helps me out a little bit as well. So go ahead and check out that link. So FabFitFun is a lifestyle box. So you can get beauty, skincare, makeup, things to use around the house, all sorts of different things. So, and there's usually a mix in the mystery boxes too. So the first product in here is the Nakata Halo Enzyme Mask. So what it is, it's a pineapple resurfacing treatment. This does retail for $20, so everything in FabFitFun is always full size. I do know that Nakata is also a cruelty-free brand. So what this is a non-abrasive resurfacing treatment designed to deliver a soft, blur, radiant light effect to your complexion. Pineapple and papaya fruit enzymes exfoliate away dead skin cells to instantly reveal glowing baby soft skin and create a smooth makeup ready canvas. Consistent use over time reduces skin tone and texture. Who needs flower crowns when you can wear your halo? So if you are new to my channel, I do a masking review series where I try on different masks and let you know what I think about them. So be on the lookout for this one in an upcoming masking video. By Doucce is their Luscious Lip Stain in the shade Dark Lust. This does retail for $28. So I do know that they are cruelty-free, and a little bit about it is the ultimate dual action lip paint that lets you choose between a matte and a glossy finish. The highly pigmented base color goes on matte and lasts all day without transferring or feathering. The highly pigmented texture applies smoothly and evenly, giving your lips a plumped and sculpted look. The glossy top coat provides a multi-dimensional and vibrant shine, perfect for taking your look to the next level. So here are the two colors. It's really pretty brown matte. It's really pretty brown matte. How pretty is that? And then of course you have your clear lip gloss to go over the top of it. Love it. I don't have anything that's this dark of a brown. I don't know if I can pull it off. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Ooh, next we have by Avya Skincare is their Day Moisturizer SPF 20. I just ran out of my regular SPF moisturizer that I use, so it'd be great to try a new one. This one retails for $85. $85 for a day SPF. It is combining our peony, turmeric, and neem extracts with snow mushroom, niacinamide, and other ancient botanicals. Our hydrating voice moisturizer with SPF protects all melanin levels from everyday environmental stressors. I do know that they're currently out of stock on this when I went to go kind of look up at some information about them. So it must be pretty good. I will give it a try. Also, before I forget, I do have 3 starter boxes to give away to my friends for FabFitFun. All you have to do is, I think, pay for shipping, and if you want to leave your name and email address down below, I will send that off to FabFitFun, the first 3 to do that, and then they will receive an email from FabFitFun kind of explaining everything to you. Lastly, by Daniel Stone is their room spray in Baies, B-A-I-E-S, and I couldn't find any information on the internet for this. I found the company. I know there was similar scents, range about $20, but this one I couldn't find whatsoever. So let's kind of give it a smell and see what it smells like. It's a really soft floral scent. It's really pretty. I just wish I could have found out more information to let you guys know about it. So which of the items were your favorite? I'm anxious to try this to see if I can pull this color off or not. I'm not quite so sure on it yet. Obviously, this looks amazing. It has niacinamide in it. Love it. And then the Halo mask to try in my masking series. I think everything was really good. I'm really impressed with this mystery bundle. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me. When you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.